Hey guys, it is Valentine's Day. Feliz Día del Amor y de la Amistad. I am celebrating Valentine's Day this year with my brother. We are out here at Cannon Beach. I'm having some delicious, what is this? An omelet. An omelet. And my brother, man, usually I'm the one.
Benedict.
Yeah, this is so bomb. So we are in this restaurant called Wayfair, right?
Wayfair.
Yeah, we are in Wayfair restaurant in Cannon Beach, out here in Oregon. We're like in the coastside. I don't know if you can see behind me, but the beach is back there. Beautiful view. We are trying their food out. They recommended this restaurant last night when we were at this bar. So a ver qué tan rico está. And we're gonna just, I feel like this vlog, this whole trip is gonna be nothing but food. So just get ready for a lot of food video shots, because that's what it's gonna be. I really wanted to do some hiking and whatnot, but the weather conditions aren't really allowing it. So it's cool, and I'm still gonna force my brother to go out there and take pictures of me, because hello, Insta, we need some pictures. We need some pictures. And he's terrified, he doesn't want to go out there, but I'm gonna have it happen. All right, bon appetit. Alright, so after getting poured on, we decided to run for shelter, and we ended up here at the Pelican Brewing Company. No somos borrachos, les prometo. This just happened to be the first thing that showed up. But I'm happy we did, because apparently it's really well known. And yo, I am trying their soup, their stew. Oh my god. If you are ever out here in Cannon Beach, come to the Pelican Brewing Company and try their stew. There's so much flavor in this little bad boy. Uy, qué rico. And with this cold, esta lluvia, esto, and a stout, you'll thank me later.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
Estamos locos,
I got time,
pero viviendo la vida,
it's clear to
viviendo
see.
la vida como se debe ser.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Wow! Wow! Oregon, you're beautiful! Beautiful enough where I don't care that I'm soaked. My feet are so wet, but it's all worth it. Look at this gorgeous cove I'm in. Check this out. It's not even as beautiful as this waterfall I'm about to show you. Wow. Wow. Oh, my brother's about to take some mad pictures. It's starting to rain. Oh no. Wow. Dang. It's incredible.
In the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors. It's
So we have to beat the waves crashing up on us right now. I don't know how we're gonna do this, pero vamos a ver. Si salgo mojada y enferma, mami, regaña a tu hijo.
Forever
¡Qué frío!
We got all the time in the world. Look at that. Made it.
Sometimes you need to go.
All right.
drive a Mazda 2.3 on the beach because we are stuck. And then my brother's trying to get some help right now, and we're super fucking close to the current. Oh my god. Woo! Go, go! Reverse, reverse. Sweet! We are out! Oh my god, thank you to those men that were, luckily they had like a strap, because I asked a few other people and they didn't have one, which actually, just a little tip guys, if you have a Jeep or a truck or something that's a four-wheel drive and it's heavy enough to pull out cars, I think you should always carry a strap, because you never know what can happen with somebody else that, you know, wants to be a little daredevil and and clearly they know their vehicle doesn't go on sand, but they want to do it anyway because, you know, we're on vacation.
We're on vacation, you gotta try things out and learn that you're being stupid.
Oh my god, it's okay, it was a minor setback. We were able to get out of there within like 40 minutes, maybe an hour tops, but that was faster than what I expected. I really thought the current was gonna come in and take us. Pero no, gracias a Dios, no. Now we're on our way to eat because I've been hungry for the last 3 hours, and now it's called starvation. And yeah, we're gonna go eat, head back to Portland, have some karaoke tonight. Hey! Y mañana, I don't know, but I have 2 more days here. I'm really bummed. I have no idea where the time went. Like, I feel like I just got here y ya me voy para Los Angeles de nuevo. But you know what, it's okay because March is gonna be a sick ass month. I have buddies from Memphis coming, and I have my buddy from Peru coming in March. Ah, it's gonna be great! But yeah guys, all right, valuable lesson. If you don't have four-wheel drive, do not go on the fucking beach with your car. Not with these tires. Oh wait, we gotta put our heads up so we can see ourselves. Can you guys see us?
Yes.
Guys, ¿en dónde estamos?
A ver, vamos a decirles. A Gaby le acabamos de hacer una pregunta.
No, cállate.
Pregunta del millón.
¡Cállate!
Del millón. Sí,
Manuel.
una pregunta bien preguntosa. Gaby, le dimos 2 opciones. ¿Qué pesa más? ¿1 libra de fierro o 1 libra de plumas? La respuesta de Gaby fue que las plumas pesan más.
1 libra de plumas.
Una libra de plumas hecha de fierro y luego
Se hizo bolas, pero su respuesta final fue que 1 libra de plumas.
1 libra de plumas.
Pesa más que 1 libra de fierro.
1 libra son 2 libras, señoras y señores. ¿No le entendió? ¡No le entendió!
I'm gonna put them on blast. I'm gonna make them start acting. I'm gonna bring them into my world. Let's see how it goes for them. No, my
Show them where show them where.
Para que sepan, cuando vienen a Portland, Oregon, tienen que llegar. Where do they go when they get to Portland, Oregon? What is this?
If you want to visit like really Portland spots. Yeah, really Portland spots.
Oh, we got a table! Okay, you haven't said what this place is called.
It's called Haley Bailey.
Haley.
Tiki bar.
Tiki bar.
It's super cute. Check this out. Oh my god! Oh, you're good. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god! Can you keep doing that? It warmed me up so good. Thank you. Oh my god. Uy, me apagaste del mío. Go, blow it out. Don't you dare blow mine out.
Un deseo.
No, a mí me dieron de esas candles que no se apagan.
Ay.
¿Qué deseas? Ya sabes lo que vas a desear. Dale.
¡Ey!
I got good lungs. ¡Puro party! ¿Me van a emborrachar estos chavos?
No.
Por venir a Portland, Dios mío, qué vergüenza. Todo el mundo viéndolos, todo el mundo viéndolos.
Pensando pero poco en las palabras, y hablaré con la sonrisa tan definitiva. Y si no quieres ni decir en qué he fallado, recuerda que también a ti te he perdonado. Y en cambio tú dices solo no te quiero.
Que sabe cómo cantar. ¡Wow!
Let's go there.
Hoy estoy aquí, borracho y loco, y mi corazón idiota siempre brillará, y yo te amaré por siempre. Nena, no te pegues en la cama, que todas las noches se van a pasar.
Zoom! What's up, my dudes and dudettes? I am still in Portland. As you guys can see, it's freaking cold. I don't know how how do you guys call each other? Oregonians or
Oregonians.
what? Oregonians.
Oregonians. Just call us Oregonians. Oregonians.
Origami? That? Yeah, not kidding.
Oregonians.
So my brother is taking me to see the bridges. That's what I love about the city. You guys have some beautiful bridges out here, and this is the newest one apparently. It's called what is it called? Pelican Crossing. Aquí tengo a Manuel. Como ven, we're gonna hit up the bridges, then go into downtown because it's my last day, so I kind of want to see the downtown again, and then we're gonna go karaoke. We did karaoke last night. Nos ponimos una peda. ¿Dónde se fue? I was talking to myself. Nos ponimos una peda anoche, but it's all good because when you're on vacation, me vale. But here we go. This is the beautiful bridge. This is gorgeous. I love the design and the river.